Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. Please feel free to become a part of this platform. Subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be making a delicious. So this is the pizza crust that we're going to use, already made pizza crust. You can get this from Walmart in the refrigerator aisle. Okay, so we're going to open it. So for our ingredients, I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to use this, okay, as one of the vegetables. We're making a vegetable pizza flat. It's more like a flat bread. All right, so we have green pepper, have our onions. For our protein, we are using roast beef. Right, I'm gonna be using this. Yeah, I'm gonna be using it. Then for the sauce, we're gonna be using a tomato basil sauce. All right, I'm gonna using this sauce. Okay, let's get started. So look at the dough right now after 8 minutes. Okay, we are going to spread. We're gonna spread the tomato sauce. So I'm going to drizzle some oil. So let's bake. All right, until it's ready. Hello, can you see that? Our flat pizza is ready, looking delicious. I'm sure it's delicious because we have tasty ingredients in it. Look at that. Can you just look at that? Look at everything. Delicious. We're gonna cut it. It's properly cooked. All right. We are coming to the end of this video. I want you to share it. Share this video, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. It's more of a flatbread. I know it's very tasty. Look at that. So delicious. Look at the crust at the back. Very delicious. Thank you for watching, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless. Tastes so good, very crunchy. Everything I wanted. Bye. God bless.